Is your 2013 Ram 1500 key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot the most common issues. The most common culprit is a dead battery. Replace the CR2032 battery in your key fob. Cold weather or overuse can cause it to fail prematurely after 1 to 3 years. If replacing the battery doesn't work, try a win reset. To do this, cycle the ignition key from off to run 10 times within 15 seconds. This can clear minor glitches in the wireless ignition node. If problems persist after these steps, it's time to move to the Relearn procedure to reprogram the key fob with your vehicle's system. If a battery replacement and win reset don't solve the key fob issue, you'll need to relearn or reprogram the key fob to your 2013 Ram 1500 truck. Start by inserting the key into the ignition. This is the first step to initiate the reprogramming process. Next, cycle the ignition from off to run 10 times quickly, within 15 seconds. This clears any glitches in the system. Finally, hold the unlock button on the key fob while pressing the brake pedal. This pairs the fob with your vehicle's system. This procedure is similar to the one shown in this guide for Cadillac vehicles, but adapted for your Ram 1500. If the relearn procedure is unsuccessful, the body control module or wireless ignition node may be faulty, requiring professional reprogramming or replacement. The body control module shown here manages many vehicle functions, including key fob communication. Testing the wireless ignition node, as shown here, can help diagnose issues before replacement. Aftermarket key fobs are also an option, but their quality can vary, so choose reputable brands. Remember, ignoring early symptoms can lead to more costly repairs. Always disconnect your car battery before working on the vehicle for safety. Following these steps should resolve most key fob issues with your 2013 Ram 1500.